welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another makeup tutorial. If this is your first time seeing me on your screen, hi, my name is Benazet. In today's video, I'll be bringing to you this soft glam makeup look, perfect for summer. So guys, if you are that person that loves to look bomb in a subtle way, this look is going to be the best for you. And if you're interested in seeing how I'll be creating this home makeup look, definitely keep on watching. I'll be using this Makeup Revolution 24K Gold moisturizer stroke primer. This is a moisturizing primer, which means it's a primer that has a moisturizing finish. If you are somebody with dry skin, this is perfect for you. So I'm going to use this as a primer and as my moisturizer too. This is my 2-in-1. But if you have really oily skin, or if you want your makeup to be super matte, you still need to go in with a mattified primer after applying this. But I want it to be some kind of glowy, so that's the reason why I'll be using just this as my moisturizer and primer. So this moisturizer, there's one thing I would like to say about it. It's so nice when you apply it after like 30 seconds to a minute and you place your hands on your face, you feel that sticky effect on your face, which is so perfect because when you apply your foundation and blend it, it's going to stick so well. So this is the bar. I love it. So now after applying the primer, I'm going to move ahead with my eyebrows. I'll be using this Black Radiance Soft Focus finishing powder to set my eyebrows. That way my eyebrows will last longer. And sometimes people complain to me that they don't have that opportunity to lay their hands on a good eyebrow pencil. When they buy an eyebrow pencil and they are outlining, it's not really popping well. Sometimes it's not the problem is not the eyebrow pencil. If you have oily skin and you don't set your brows with a powder before you start outlining, trust me, it's not going to come out well. It's gonna glide. It's gonna have that slippery effect, which we don't want. So that's the reason why I'm applying the powder. I recently bought this eyebrow pencil from Elf, and this one is the Elf eyeliner pencil. It's really like an eyeliner which you can use on your waterline, but when I saw this beautiful brown color, I was like, I need this, girl, because the color is so beautiful. So I'm going to try it on my eyebrows so we can all see how it looks like. This is actually going to be my first time using this eyebrow pencil. Look at this. So I'm going to fill in the eyebrow using the same pencil. That's why I like myself. I always love trying new things. The fact that it's an eyeliner pencil doesn't mean if you use it on your brows it's not going to work. Look at how my eyebrow is looking like. I love it, and it's less stressful. A little bit of it goes a long way. And if you are that person that has never been opportune to lay your hand on a beautiful eyebrow pencil, try this one from Elf. It's actually an eyeliner pencil. I'm going to go ahead and conceal the brows, and to conceal the brows I'll be using my Elf 16 Hours Camo Concealer. This one is in the shade Deep Chestnut. This is how it looks like. Look at this. So to blend in the concealer, I'm going to use this buffing brush, and I'll start with the upper part because this concealer dries down, and when it dries down, the upper part will be difficult for me to blend. I don't care about the under or the lower part because I can easily blend that, and I want it to dry down a little bit on the under eye before I blend it so that it will give me a better coverage. So I'm going to blend in this other side. Here guys, my brows are well slit. Let me come closer. I'll be using this Juvia's Place eyeshadow palette. This is the Nubian 2 eyeshadow palette. I'm going to open it so that you can see how it looks like. This is so beautiful, right? I love, love, love it. So to start off, I'll be picking this shade, this brown shade right here, and I'll be applying it all over my lid or on my lid. Now I'm going to move ahead and blend the edges of the first shade, and to do that I'll be going in with this shade right here. The shade name is Morocco. The first shade I went in with is Kenya, and this shade that I'm going to use in blending the edges is Morocco, like so. And I start blending it. So many people always say that they face difficulties in applying eyeshadow as they are the one doing it. They don't know how to look into the mirror and do their eyeshadow. The best way is to use a hand mirror and put the mirror a little bit downward, and you look through the mirror. While you're looking through the mirror, your eyelid will look half, like your eyes will look half closed, and you have that possibility or opportunity to really see your eyelid. Now I'll be using this brush, and I'll spray the brush first, and I'll be going in with this shade. For my inner tear dot, I'll be going in with this shade right here, and I'll be using this pencil brush. If you look well, you see that I didn't apply eyeshadow there. That's because I knew I was going to go in with a lighter shade. So not too much of it though. Yes, like so. I love it that way. Now I'm going to give it a very tiny wing, and I'll be using this eyeliner from iMagic Cosmetics. Now I'm going to move ahead with my foundation, and for foundation today I'll be using the Maybelline Superstay foundation in the shade Coconut and Cappuccino. That's 355 and 340. Now I have it on my face. I'm going to blend it using my beauty sponge. To highlight my face, I'll be using this concealer. This is the Hydrating Carbon Concealer in the shade deep olive. To set the highlighted areas, I'll be going in with my Black Radial Soft Focus Finishing Powder. This one is 9201. I'm going to use it to set all the areas I highlighted. To contour my face, I'll be using the Black Radial Soft Focus Finishing Powder. This one is in the shade 9203. For my blush, I'll be using the Saharan Blush Palette by Juvia's Place, and I'll be mixing these two shades. For my highlighter, I'll be using Glow Kit from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is how it looks like, and I'll be using this shade right here. For my lips, I'll be using these 3 different shades of lipstick. This one is the Milani matte ink. This one is in the shade Covered. I'm going to use this to line my lips. After lining, I'll be going in with this one from Morphe. This one is in the shade Peanut. And after that, I'm still gonna top it again with this one still from Morphe, and this one is in the shade Brunch. So I'm going to use 3 different shades of lipstick for my lips. Yeah. Guys, this look will not be complete without a lip gloss. I'm just feeling like, girl, you need lip gloss on these lips to complete it. So this is actually optional. If you don't want lip gloss, that's fine, you can just keep it like so, but I'm going to go in with my lip gloss. Now I'm going to move ahead and spray my face, and to spray my face, I'll be using this Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. Guys, we have finally come to the end of this makeup tutorial. If you like this makeup tutorial, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, share this video with your friends and family, and I will see you all in my next video. Thank you all for watching. I love you guys.